Chapter 4. Adjectives. Let's learn adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, pronouns. They make the language more specific and interesting. For example, since it's a hot day, Lisa is wearing a sleeveless shirt. The mountain top is covered with sparkling snow. Let's learn kinds of adjectives. Adjectives are of different kinds. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality tell us about the special traits, qualities, or features of nouns. For example, the old man ran as fast as he could to catch the bus. She gave her mother a bunch of reddish-orange flowers. Here are some adjectives that describe some specific features. Non-physical attribute. Physical quality. Number or age. Origin of a person or a thing. Best, beautiful, interesting, cheap, unique. Tall, thin, round, rich, heavy, fast. New, old, young, 2-year-old, ancient, modern. Indian, Chinese, French, English, Bengali, Gujarati. Sometimes, an adjective is very much part of a noun it describes. We call it a qualifier adjective. For example, wooden axe, luxury boat, flowery path, stone tool, etc. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity indicate how much of a noun is there. They do not give specific facts and figures in numbers. Words such as many, enough, and most are some commonly used adjectives of quantity. For example, most students are intelligent in this class. He has many problems of his own. Remember, adjectives modify as well as describe nouns or pronouns. There can be more than one adjective in a sentence. For example, they live in a beautiful, big bungalow. Adjectives of number. Adjectives of number answer the question, how many? They depict either the number of a noun or its position or place in a certain order in a sentence. They are used with countable nouns. For example, Louisa kept 10 glasses of water on the table. Cardinal. She was the first to finish the race. Ordinal. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives demonstrate specific people, animals, or things. They modify nouns that follow them immediately. Demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. For example, please put those cookies on that blue plate. These shoes fit me very well. Distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are placed before the nouns they qualify. They are normally used with singular nouns. Sometimes, they may be used with plural nouns when followed by of. Some commonly used distributive adjectives are each, every, either, and neither. For example, each child was asked to bring an umbrella. Every child is special to their parents. Remember, either and neither are used to talk about distribution between two things. Either for affirmative and neither for negative. For example, both are my favorite colors, so either color is fine with me. Neither person is speaking the truth. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. They modify nouns or pronouns and cannot stand alone. They are generally placed before a noun. For example, which seat do you prefer? In the above sentence, which modifies seat. Whose house should we visit first? In the above sentence, whose modifies house. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show possession or ownership of a noun or pronoun in a sentence. They modify nouns. Some commonly used possessive adjectives are my, your, her, his, our, its, their, etc. For example, why didn't you wash your plate? Maya does not like my hairstyle. Proper adjectives. As the name suggests, proper adjectives are made from proper names. Hence, they are capitalized. Look at the sentences below. The highlighted words are proper adjectives. I love Japanese food. The world loves Indian music. Let's learn formation of adjectives. Adjectives are formed from nouns, verbs and other adjectives by making some changes. Noun. Adjective. Absence. Absent. Hope. Hopeful. Expense. Expensive. Accident. Accidental. Verb adjective. Tire. Tiresome. Play. Playful. Talk. Talkative. Help. Helpful. Adjective. Adjective. White. Whitish. Correct. Corrective. Comic. Comical. Danger. Dangerous. Some other ways to form adjectives are by dropping e and adding y. Is easy. Taste tasty. By simply adding full. Care careful. Hate hateful. By changing y to I and adding full. Mercy merciful. Duty dutiful. By changing y to I and adding ous. Envy envious. Glory glorious. By adding ous danger dangerous. Mountain mountainous. By adding able. Reason reasonable. Favor favorable. By adding al. Classic classical. Logic logical. By adding ive impress impressive. Progress progressive. By adding ic artist artistic. Robot robotic. By adding less. Sense senseless. Worth worthless. By dropping e and adding al nature natural. Culture cultural. By dropping y and adding ic photography photographic. Choreography choreographic. Let's learn degrees of comparison. Adjectives depict the quality of a noun and also tell us the degree of that quality. Adjectives of quality have 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree. The positive degree is the simplest form of an adjective. It is used when no comparison is made. For example, John is young. Comparative degree. The comparative degree shows the higher quality of degree when two nouns are compared. For example, Daniel is younger than John. Superlative degree. The superlative degree shows the highest degree of quality when more than two nouns are compared. For example, Matthew is the youngest of all 3. Remember, only adjectives of quality have degrees of comparison. Formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. With adjectives with one syllable, we add er to form the comparative and est to form the superlative. Positive. Comparative. Superlative. Bright. Brighter. Brightest. Clever. Cleverer. Cleverest. Old. Older. Oldest. When the positive degree ends with e, we add r to form the comparative and st to form the superlative. Positive. Comparative. Superlative. Noble. Nobler. Noblest. Pale. Paler. Palest. White. Whiter. whitest. When the positive degree ends with y, we drop the y and add IER to form the comparative and IEST to form the superlative. Positive, comparative, superlative. Costly, costlier, costliest. Dry, drier, driest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. When the positive degree ends with a consonant and is preceded by a vowel, we double the consonant and add ER to form the comparative and EST to form the superlative. Positive, comparative, superlative. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. When adjectives of two or more syllables do not end in y or er, we add more to form the comparative and most to form the superlative. Positive, comparative, superlative. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid. Immense, more immense, most immense. Some adjectives change completely to form the comparative and the superlative degrees. They are known as irregular adjectives. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bad, ill, worse, worst. Good, well, better, best. Late, later, latest. Little, less, least, much, many, more, most. Let's learn order of adjectives. Many times, in literary pieces more than one adjectives are used together in a single sentence. These are used to make the statement impactful and decorative. Whenever there is more than one adjective describing something, we place them in a definite order. Generally, the following order is followed. 1. Opinion. 2. Size. 3. Physical quantity. 4. Shape. 5. Age. 6. Color. 7. Origin. 8. Material. 9. Type. 10. Purpose. For example, let's order a delicious, huge, rectangular pepperoni pizza.